Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, fellow Gambians. Today, Wednesday, I believe the 26th of February, 2024. In this early morning, I just want to have a little discussion with my fellow countrymen and women. I've been thinking about this because there are certain things going on in that country which need to be addressed. It should not be brushed under the carpet. These are the things that are a threat to the national security, and anything that is a threat to the national security could be detrimental to the country. If I said it could be detrimental to the country, means the people of that country are no more safe. And in any country, you are governed by the executive, and there is a legislature and a judiciary. So the executive branch of the country comprises of the president and the ministers, the permanent secretaries, directors, and others. So you come to the legislature. Those are the member of the parliament. Those are the councillors at the area councils, the Sefolu, the Alkalulu, because these are people, they are traditional rulers, but they preside over judgments on issues. So they are part of our legislature. So you go to the judiciary. The Attorney General is an executive, but he is the head of the judiciary as well. So the Chief Justice and then the judges, the prosecutors, and even the private lawyers. So the police is a very important arm in the government, and they are very important body in every country. The police force, the military, the intelligence agencies, the custom and exercise, the immigration, and so on. These are very important institutions in every country, because one thing, all the country citizens should be a police of its own. How will there be a police of its own? This is why in every country they will call a community policing service, so that the community will collaborate with the police by how? By giving them information, by helping them. How would you help the police? You will help the police to preserve if there is any crime, so that the police could come and then investigate. Before the police come, the civilian could preserve that place until the police came and then make their investigation, so that the police could be able to trace out the offender. This is very important for the police to work hand and glove with the community of any nation. You go to the army. The army, they are the military agencies. Their main function is to defend the country against any external aggression. So that, because there are some countries, we all know that countries are powerful than each other. This is why when you come to the world, this fight is between the China and the Americans. So because Americans are saying politically, economically, they are the superpower. The Chinese, if you check morally and then you think about how can America be powerful than China economically? Because even the military service only in China is almost the population of America. Because China is about almost 2 billion people plus. But that is their politics. The issue here is that I am going to talk about the Gambia Police Force. This is an institution that I know very well. And this is an institution that I respect very well. But the Gambia Police Force need to check themselves very well. They need to do their homework. We don't like to come out and go against our own police force. But the way the police are operating in that country, the way the Gambia Police Force is operating in that country is very bad. Very, very bad. And we the Gambians, we need to come out and then correct the things that they are doing. We believe it is undone. Their intimidation tic-tacs, we should not allow it. Let us not wait until we said, I, Musa, become a victim, then I will start to voice out. No. Don't wait until your relative become a victim, then you want to voice out. No. This should be a general issue. It should be an issue of every Gambian citizen. Okay. Accordingly, in our tradition, we all know that there are certain things, even if these are freedom of speech, but you cannot tell this to the people because of our tradition. Because we are brought up in a society that we are taught what to say and what not to say, what to do and what not to do. Moral issue here. If we see that, okay, something somebody have said, and this could create conflict in the country, I think the role of the police should be to protect, and then they need to protect the person who said, and then they need to intervene. How would they intervene? The intervention should be for them to investigate if that could be a threat to this national security. The police need to address that. Okay. After the Kiang Masembe by-election, there is a man who NPP claimed to say that it is their official journalist by the name Babukar Bahum. He went to social media and then wrote that the people of Kiang choose to go to hell. Adama Barrow want to put them to paradise, but they choose to go to hell UDP because he categorized UDP as hell. And then he said those Kiang people should be buried under ashes. You see, people are saying that it was a freedom of speech. Freedom of speech that will bring incitement shouldn't be considered as freedom of speech. We the Gambians are confused in many things that we don't understand. That's why I always said that Gambia, we need civic education into our public domains. Even Adama Barrow needs civic education. Because one, Adama Barrow used to alter some words. This is why Boubacar Bahum is just amplifying what Adama Barrow said to the people of Jara and Lower River region. Because Adama went there and then told them that you people, you the Mandinkas, from Kurungo Kototo, where I don't know, in Kiang, he said, the Mandinkas never voted for me because I lose all the Mandinka polling stations. But why Adama didn't quote Kabada? Because Kabada, they are foolers. And then they voted for Adama. Adama is happy with that. But Adama is not happy because the people of Kiang Kayaf doesn't vote for him. The people of Masembe doesn't vote for him. The people of Bateling doesn't vote for him. Why Adama is quoting that? Why those people don't vote for him? Because they are Mandinkas. This is a serious threat to the national security. And this is, who is saying this? The executive. Who is that man? The president. So, if Bahum repeated what Adama said, and then we said the police should call Bahum for questioning. You know, for me, actually, if it is moral issue, yes, what Bahum said, it is wrong. Totally wrong. If it is, but when we come to the law, what are they going to charge Bahum? What are they going to charge Bahum? The only thing Bahum could do is publicly come out and then apologize to those people of Kiang. And then they said he wrote and then he apologized. But why did he apologize? The crime in this is that who knows what the Kiankas are going to react. So this is the reason why the police should intervene. Nobody knows how the Kiankas are going to react on this issue. So this is why the police should come and intervene. But the intervention of police, we have seen that the police become an arm of the NPP by supporting what Adama Barrow said to the people of Jara and LRD, and what Babu is trying to amplify. We have heard what Sidinjai said there, that the character of those Kiankas is not religious, they are not Islamic, they need to change their habit to stop hypocrisy. I think Sidinjai insulted the Kiankas more than Bahum. Dusano said the same thing. Dusano said the same thing. So, now, Adama Barrow insulted them. Bahum amplified what Adama Barrow said by insulting them. Sidinjai did the same thing. Dusano did the same thing. And Bintanjai, the police ASP, and then the former assistant superintendent, former PRO to the police. This is a commissioned police officer. Somebody who is commissioned. Bintanjai couldn't be sacked by the Inspector General of Police. The Inspector General of Police can only make recommendation and it will go to PMO. It is only PMO that could sack Bintanjai. Bintanjai is a senior police officer. But Bintanjai doesn't come from the sky and drop on this earth. Bintanjai is from a parent and her parents are Kiankas. Now, does this mean that Bintanjai have no right to talk about Gambia? Bintanjai said she feel offensive. So now they are characterizing Bintanjai. Bintanjai have right to belong to any political party. Look, There was a police selection before. And then during this selection, they brought these officers, these recruits, before selecting them. They brought them to the NIA. This was Jammeh's time. They brought them to the NIA for an interview. No, Gambia is a joke. You know what was this interview? The first question they will ask you, which political party do you belong to? Many people lies. Some will say that I am APRC. You have no problem. There was a boy. When they called him, he said he belongs to PDOIS. And guess what? His father was a senior police officer. And the guy interviewing, there is a panel. But the guy, the head of that panel is a friend. He knows that boy even. Is a friend to the father. So everybody looks. He said to him, which political party you said you belong to? The boy repeated, I said I am PDOIS. So they said to the boy, okay, you go and wait. The boy was sitting. This man went to his office, called his father. Told his father that, look, what is wrong with your son? I'm going to call him back. Tell him not to say that he is supporting PDOIS. So, as he spoke to the father called his son, and then he told his son, are you mad? Why are you telling them that you are supporting PDOIS? If you don't want to say you are supporting APRC, then tell them you are not supporting any political party. So the boy came back. They asked him again. He said I am a supporter of PDOIS. What does this job have to do with that? I have my political right. The boy said this. He said, I have my political right. So what about the people saying that they are supporting APRC and then you are not re-interviewing those people? Is APRC not a political party? Everybody think that this boy is mad. But he was not mad. You know what? This was a tough issue. But if you believe in God, God is always with you. You know, when you are in any office, no matter what your rank is, but if they brought you to be a decision maker, stand by the truth. I wouldn't say what my role was and all the other things, but I know what happened there. And the boy was selected. He was selected. He was selected. Yes, he was selected. So today, the Inspector General of Police, who is a brother to me, a friend, the guy that I know very, 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 very well. I know him up to my fingertip. Today disappoint me. Yes, Sidi, you might be watching me because you used to watch me. But you disappoint me. I told you this. You know, our private conversation, I would not bring that to the public domain. But I told you this. I told you those people behind you, they will just undermine you, but they will be afraid simply because your connection to the president. You married the sister of the president. They would not come out to go against you. But they will make sure that you don't have a good reputation in the Gambia police force. My brother here, SIABC, knows him. This is the advice I gave you. Wallahi, billahi, I know that office more than Sidi Toure. Yes. You see, there are Inspector General of Police, former Inspector General of Police. They were not graduates. But these people, they were good listeners. And then they fear God and then work in a very, very hard condition. We all know during the time of Jammeh. If anybody knows Ibu Njai, the former Inspector General of Police, Ibu Njai, by profession, he's a mechanic, a car mechanic. But when he became Inspector General of Police, a lot of people were saying, but his education, his education, his education. But Ibu Njai transformed that institution. Tatin Baji. Yes, Tatin is a graduate. But Tatin Baji was a professional police officer. You can call Jammeh Konta. You can call Jammeh Konta. There are professional police officers. Now, we are talking about our young police officers who are graduates. Look at what they are doing. What if Binta Njai said something? She was not speaking as a police officer, or she was not speaking under the voice of the police officer. She said, what you said about my family people is wrong. And we all know that it is morally wrong. Now the police, instead, the police to tell Bahum what you did morally, we are not allowing things that will happen in this country that doesn't go with our moral. The police now are victimizing Binta Njai. They wrote a statement on their Facebook page. The PRO was saying that the police is trying to make their discipline. What discipline are they doing? You see, that's why that little rat calling himself the police PRO, he doesn't even know. He is just abe doko doronela under those police officers. Nko. Sidi Touré, billahi wallahi tallahi, ni me keku, ibe kukelela Gambia, you will regret why you joined the police. Nko, police keba leba fokang, ikasile kafo, iko Sidi Touré manke police, he knows nothing about policing. And today you are the commander-in-chief in that police. But ibe claim kanko you knows nothing about police, iko manke police oti. Now the NPP folks could go and sit in the public platform, ikafoko, yes, niye mimfo ni UDP kol fanal ka kumo fo jang baro male baro telebuka yalon na platform olu yes alse talibo konjira wol kumandi nole aliye interview alse Modou Sabal wol kumandi nole aliye interview alse Ismaila Cissé wol kumandi nole aliye interview bari ali keku ntelnal telbe ndingolu ndomalu ikatara nyinulu la moy kan kunu ye la moy le bibe la moy kan alin kane confused ali alon ko talibo kanjirabe mimbe fokan nun kerfatu kunu. In fact, this is very, very insulting. What talibo konjira killing ola wulita tata ki ankol ya ka fo wole ko alala karteo din telula bari ma jana si media tabe mim fokan mi momi yalon kay kuma kolam fo ki ankol ye although ni na da luwala karola ni koy ba charge la nte I don't know ba charge la minna mbeto nyale fola but morally nobody will support what Bahum said. Nobody will support what Bahum said. And this is a character in Bahum. Bahum have been attacking politicians. Bahum farmer fo be siala Usain Dabo tulebam because ma farmer along. But Bahum kalola ka Usain Dabo neng fo Bahum la parents sol tije fo ma along ko Bahum ka Usain Dabo nen bari because Mansakunda Adama Barrow kalafile mimbe Usain Dabo nen yalong ikana foko ikatalo ka foko imagine Adama Barrow fangoy letaro safe ha ka nyinul congratulate yala alma Adama lo nkoy Adama neneten tele monela Gambia wo fama man futa kono amanka nganioti itelle kay ko nyinke drong isaje mol sa foko démocratie no yalo mbe muna fala opposition oli mbe min folali nyimbe yalo ne muna atina Adama sonta nyina ya sacrifice iko okay nga sondrong because nyin election do man kume ya bake do although il afta place solale bari pour danko don se trust bill no IEC la pour sa foko imaje ni winter election minto emang Ismaila Ceesay je yala da hele butale imaje ayafo ako ha e balo nako na democracy is working imaje oppositional winter nyinna so that ni nata ye election malpractices ke in any election ibafula ko ha nal winter minto albuka complain nal ma winal ka complain all I am with Alhaji Saidi Barrow e minfo ko oppositional nyanta complaino di la IEC le but I don't know mim fana mu problem oti jang malum fo evidence sotole nyile kodo di mol minul la bare nga moy le talibo ko njirata rasi ako UDP kol fanale kodo le samba toranka bantang yalonte talibo ko njira nte dahata la karola bakele because nte manke mo fulisirinti so talibo konjira wobe minto drong wala mu nyinti ko kuwa wala be Barrow please la talibo be muna doku la aka muna doku ke muna mala dokoti bar bi abe balu nyima min kono there are civil servants mil bitale binala wala man taraw balu nyima kono imagine faka ala adingol kulino because nyilkatu nyin si falle la bari ninte mu taliboti e manyana nyin sifa dundile dinkunto de ka kulli ala de wallahi billahi tallahi kam min fo e ngalon niano ite be million le dilele ba do mola bay ba fenkela de yaje idingo ila korda kono ila balwo pour ila dimbaya wallahi niano haniya reka million le labaji nan bara make so ko ila hard and money yewo dundi la dimbaya kunto ila million mi kaw makal wodundi fango kunto kana wodundi la family kunto andung police al bintan jay bula al fatama Sidi you are a brother Sidi you are a brother ikeku inila colleague solto ini minulbe police minulbe mislead kanne de itele lota jang in June iko misconduct allow la kotake Gambia iko you will be the police of every Gambian not the police of NPP but see the Gambians are not happy with the way you are handling things abe kolale bulle nak pour Barrow ke president oti ite kala inspector general of police you have a very difficult task to do because one conflict of interest le bejang imu Barrow bitan neti moto bondi nola abitan ne muiti ma bitan neti de imu Barrow bitan neti so molbe jelala ko ite mu Barrow bitanneti baralbe albe disciplino min kala bintan jayla malo are you going to post her garawol or you will send her out ali intimidation bula wala na altel feminist minul kal fangol kumandi feminist la amanke ko nal bulata kemin noma woman sonnal nyinina ale fintina ale kewol against this is not feminism we want to see our women leading our institutions dunia bita kan tenne bar ni musol kumasta minulbe palasol to doron kewol ye kumas ke doro kayitandiko ita manyana taranyim palasoto ali bebe daring ali amuta ko Bintan Jai abe UDP le side kan Bintan Jai anintel UDP kol duntanu nyola janne bar wotuma bala do ko le keka bar police ma command for questioning bi bintanjay ko mbama nim fama be daming niaje bi alba volante ASP fal nene benkela deputy PROT alata ko la naw wulula lonko le wulu yen topoto ba humta min folala moli ata min folala community moli nayo fo community e weyo li dimin bar bi ale babu ke hero ti ale bintanjay ke victim ti. Because the other deputy PRO Mohamed Dabo in America, mim fana e safero ke man police je buka wala kumo fangofo because ya feel le ko ninga wala kumo fo we afola ko birabo da police ni aja man pare ka police la kudiam oto ku nori ngolo be jela e minulu long amam pare ka fo this is wala wallahi ay wala mina ala fonko kon so police de Mohamed Dabo mala because he was close to the corridor of power. He was a former deputy PRO. Imagine Mohamed Dabo, but Bintanjai be in the system le wobe koto janne. Niata ko Bintanjai fana be outside the police de femfola. Because Bintanjai fana e kulo do lulonne. But ndabe minfola Sidi Touré jang. Sidi Gambia bitaka nyaming. Ite kela no joran ta aliya fo kalbe adama sindila mol kunto ate kenola niana aliye fonyala gambian ko nyamamma altelbe balu nyima konole fali amran tel nyale mata bi ni ta sasata wallahi abe jarele ye evacuer de samba tubabu du yete jara how many ite Mansa kundala kuje lebelari la tabulo ke ye recommendation ol nyimbuga work as Inspector General of Police because Auditor General report and minuli alonko e kabona FPAC ya at the National Assembly alka fenke ko yes nyine keta nyanta investigate lale but because of executive casting lo akan what is the essence of you being the Inspector General of Police? Why can't you resign? Why can't you resign? Sidi, you have served in the UN. Munatine served the UN to make peace. Yeah, it a peace make outside wall. It be Gambia. You are part of the people who are trying to incite conflict in that country. But you made peace outside the wall. Sidi Touré. Ela deputy, ela AIG, ela deputy Inspector General of Police, Operation Commander, admin, CMC. Yalo ni lote beba folako my commander, my able Inspector General of Police. Nille malla fila mo beti. Malla fila je. I'm telling you. I am telling you. Bari ite hanyila kafo. Because you president bitaneti. Bari isebula ye ku noringol ke ay tarela recordoto. Ngalo nako you come with a good intention. Pour ka kunyima ke police. Bari nyilte sonna. Imagine ye forcé ye Lamin Banda Ablay Sanya nela Inspector General of Police ya ye Lamin Banda Sindi. Bari ita nyanta case nyinjube lale and then you should bring that boy back because what police kebal mil bebeje Lamin Banda could teach them. Ibe tu hani Ibrahima Ba mi ya lonko ate bota Gambia University le anata je o Ibrahima Ba atening jeng ning mimbenu NPP abe England aning Kinte former Inspector General of Police nyille nata nu nyola as cadet ASP itelle nata nu nyola bare niya jube Lamin Banda because ya feel like is a threat because Lamin Banda atele police do ko loy beti. Some of them might serve longer than Lamin Banda But more be alone how intelligent that boy is. Bari, ye fero bege, kalamin banda nyori, ka nyori. Fosa ye mune kala. Abi sirin suwa kona abu kana do kula. Iko ka jo half salary lela. Ye accusation balta kala kan. Al lafta Nigeria no use la jang. Puru we song altel lafta minfal. That boy is a clean boy. Ngalamin banda lonne. You come to Sambujang Fati. Ye ko bekata. Malonde muno mu Sambujang na crime te. I don't know. But ali alkali Sambujang fanam baile. Sambujang B. Na lafita. Asita I serve under UN. Bari malom fanali ya bay. Fabe o keno la le bang. Because I know ko ni UN nyanta kata. Because Sambujang have been training atele marathon police ol ni mol mil bekata UN staff no in Gambia atele maratela training and everything no. So I believe ko Sambujang had a good record there. But what happened? Alkali Sambujang fanam baile woka al samba kitiola yaje Sidi Toure, be very much careful, be very much careful. Yenyi nulije ntamu fuloleti mbeto nyale fole jang yajele mandinka boy be nyindulato minuli ya lonko they are capable, they could become Inspector General of Police iba katala puriye bay ntamu fuloleti. I tell you, ila deputy mu fuloleti, CMC mu fuloleti, Ibrahima Ba mu fuloleti, Pate Jallo mu fuloleti, ita Sidi da malo mandinkoti nyilul kono ya lonko Lamin Banda is fit pour kake Inspector General of Police to mandinkolom eko alinga kick out. Ya lonko Sambujang Fati is very capable pour kake even Inspector General of Police eko alinga bay. Altel mandinka boyo sol milbe pori yale ite sisa o ite mu tole olet ite ibula je ite diamu di ni tata si radio to fango ibukale be mim fango fola fona manke kumol mil duida mol ke ite gelele ite amira ko ka uniform nyima dum ka foko ite janni ite be uniform odu na femalo molle odu molle be siri la odu lato molle mil karandi police training school taye nyinin kabang. Let us tell you that I be man fell long. Look, Deputy Inspector General of Police, amanke police TSG lom. Pate Jallo manke police TSG lom. Imam police long. They knows nothing about police. Ibe muzandal morollet. Amalgamation ole ASC police. They amalgamated them into police, doltata in the military, doltata police. So in other than police, Imam police do kono ala foiko let them even write a voluntary or cautionary statement. It has a fenola. Imam long, they don't know it. Alfata Bintan Jaila. Look, Molbe Kelo Kela Gambia Wato Mina, you people were standing and fighting for Yaya Jammeh. Good morning, my darling sister. Medina, mbe konto na baki. Alif molman lafi minna miyeke Gambia. We want to see our police as professional police. We don't want to see police as a hand-picked police. Look, muna naltelu ni NPP nkole kuminke albuka femfor paali ujawara hainanje wala tina molbe mbe video kikate paali ujawara bar moma moy kay bahum kumandi. And Honorable Yaya Menten Sanya and Mimfo, Kiankolu, don't put the law into your hand. Alkana Bahum attack, Mokana Aneng, Mokana Femfae, Alinga presso ke police lukan, nga make sure something happen. Imagine Altelu. Nyine atine kale ko al reform ke. Al reform ke. Al manso reform la. Sidi ñil be nene kan billahi be nene kan. The whole world is watching. The whole world is watching, and until we will stand by Bintan Jaya amanke ko UDP kulom nyindwal nte anything that me along ko luwa tinyalong, I would not be part of it. Anything me along ko luwa tinyalong, I would not support it and I would not be part of it. Bintan Jaya amam fenke me along ko it is wrong. Bintan Jaya alafta moral lela. Alafta moral lela. Altelle lota jang. Alko. Alafta lalnim mole dokuoke. Nga nyoje as one family. And Gambians are willing to do this. But Gambians don't trust you people. Most Gambians don't trust the Gambia police force. A noble institution like this, Albanian institution kendo mutala alba tinyala. Albanian institution kendo tinyala. Police. Allah kuo critical tabaki. Altelle lota jal ko. Allah ftale ni kuo kuketa for public to come out. Pour public yali makoi. Mimbe investigation of sono yandila. Aleo demand jang. Bari. Usenu bojana isu nata. Journalisto wulta janga tata fo nyensata otondi. Kasamas Jululung. Jululung, is it Jululung? Jululung. Atata fo Jululung. Ako evidence all ba bulule. Itata dulal milta yolo interview la ako ba bulu. Altata alnya pita o journalisto kang alia muta for 3 days. Alia muta 3 days because alman la fa I oku on voice out. Alien na dalasi million o chikalia di mama jabila miye wuli ya fo alia ke hero. Usenu bojang hainang alia kuo mimbevo ala prosecution kuo mimbevo kuo mimbela kang abe amanke tonyati bar hansa albe daring. Criminal will be on the street alma wol muta albe mo scenario decent people albe will victimize kang. And this is what the role of the police is. Iko, police is there to protect the lives and properties of the citizen, apprehend and prosecute the offenders. But it seems Iko apprehend and prosecute the decent people and leave the criminals to be free. You never Gambia. You go to the Gambia prison service. Ngamoy ka kodo di prison alla e prison police alla ka prison a dolu bula milia lonko ye high crimes all le commit in that country. Keba haynan sili veringara abadingo nyinina. Aliko ali milia dingo la moto milia call ali o mari mutale. Alia handcuff alba sambakan aning handcuff o kanata aya fam fay moto kono tata alkalma wo marije. This is the Gambia police force. See the new crimes all be they are on your table. Alman problem soto auto alman kuke auto bintanja ye law aya feel ko mole kumo fonna family ma alkal ka bintanja le victimize alfata nyi musundingola alfata la al bintanja bula ay free al bintanja bula ay free problem o lebe Gambia no lafta mi solve than this albe min plan kan wala mu nyintiko ka baro implant mol kunto albe fitino le mala Gambia wala na nte Gambia no la ko kante jakalle ni election o min ketam ma sembe say mobe ba fola ko mbe baro bondira jele 2026 ngo mol ko baro man nyanna lola morally 2026 ntelma foko ntelman sila ka foko nimbaro eta election la on nimbaro kanata election na mawo fo ko morally mo man nyanna tambila sanji tawla baral tel gambian kilingul da kilingu be do fo la jang al da kilingu be do fo la jang al ba fo la ko baro man nyanna tala e nim man sila pour nimbaro lo ntelma foko mo na kana lode ntelma foko mo na kana lode nga mim fo wolom nyinti ko hani yatara ko baroka sanole jindi mole nan santo nimbe minna na jio fango kake daya monoleti korda wala momo wuluta Gambia ni wuluta lungo minna dron ikejo hani yatara baro ole beke nko nae sanji tankate ta malafi mole tambi sanji tanna nka jele fale altanyi moy laba alba fola mole constitutional ma bali constitutional ma baro bali muna biring ECOWAS ba fola ECOWAS banko le ko mantara diam ga la constitutional la fidal ECOWAS ye londi jumale ya sign on behalf of Gambia ka agree ko mota tambila sanji tawla is Adama Barrow le ya sign imam Macky Sall je we kido ci ka kala molu boom because woman songala woma sign Togo la president woma sign Benin na president woma sign Wolman song ala barbaro sontala la ko sanjitang hani sa intel gambenol ka foko ha you know ECOWAS la fonko wote fenkeno la intel la constitution alinga nafiki ya bula billahi nimman kamben jang fonka fo nyoy ko mbe muna mina akela ibelola Aizi Sambu Yang wol lebije Aizi Joseph Koli wol lebije Pa Makankan wol lebije imaje kaloy ka fogo imaje Gambia la election is very clean and fair muna yatinna ngamira in ma sembe sonka bale ketanu jannin carte obe kontila benga silfo bayo sonko wol jele ini ibe balanding because iko media be finti mudati nebe media findi ala konti media nyala media nyanta fula Gambian kole mudane ka fo media findi because he left minkela they know that in Masembe they're going to lose but near Masembe la result tonno ye wodinu Lamin Jajula automatically Lamin Jaju is going to win Bakari as Jaju so wolam the plant up to the last minute alni mimbebe telefonoto ngabe kala mutale alkay ko he nta nyim falin nola ni nyim falin tajam fitinolo be kalaja mo be fala akali ko anyway I am very interested pour nga gagner jang Allah taka result ton but thank God the people stand wala atina ko UDP next election Gambia funding ke o be na nimi carte o fay ka fale na le carte o fal ta si soko dal kan ta si soko UDP bieta manjay biroto mba make sure nte fangle be ni o election o na intera baluring nte fangle be mbe fundraising kela wala mbe kodo nyini na tabirol be kela jela albe drink sol minna jela albe jio minna jele Gambia funding ke o be manjay biroto mo kanate la suo kono jebe kela electoral centrality ni ko Medina Njai winter drone ali finti street o ali celebrate ni isita 1 hour 2 hours marisolto moy mbenga IEC walling yes mbenga IEC walling we are not going to joke with this now molman la fi barola ni ano abe minna atela alo akamune sila ka palaso nyimbula say baroko abitala tatamla why baroma molla keno sendi abe retirement home le lokanje 1 point yena janko dake ye presidential bilo sambanan jang kanyin jo tab iko itabe siri ite mu president ani mimmo boda president yala la jolwe kanyana muna wonta fitina bondoti ni baro sita itandi NPP bela ko almam sobeya altal famalu maranola nte dam maliske no nyaton koti ja wotu tala buluje bar Gambian kolu ninga nyi moy mol la sako mol mi ko tel karanda e kana kasi mol nyaade ka fuko let us leave him, let the people who don't want him vote against him. Mobe alongo voters inducement minkake the poor people hani kiang billahi amanke ko the love wala yatine carte of NPP dolu sanne ko dole dila UDP be kodo bon lamun dole e kallo e kafo mole ko ha ifana UDP ko dole di al mo kilim bondi mo kilim dron ala mari findinam mi yalonko UDP le kodo diala baral tel tada Bakar Jaaju ba ma ya janne ale min fowe ale mun fo Bakar fangoy Bakar damade altara Sidi Njaay wala Sado do chairman UDP min londije wala lota fangoy afo biringa alko Bakar ko be Canada visa fengele be wala fangoy audio dada ani moy interview ka ko ala fo Bakar ko ibe mimbe foka ebe faniale foka ngai this is what they told me sa faninga wol kol mbuke soto altata nyamina ale muneke nyamina altel se lono mole Gambia alkamunta ko almanke Gambia dingu fawoti alkalo alkafo mole ko ha Adama Barrow ni woy kumo min fa ka timmandle Gambia participate ba foka recently ko pour every political party ala fon aka raise nyami ali molu dahandi Alta for Barrow. Barrow have more vehicle than government. NPP. They have more vehicle than the police, the army, and the hospital. Political party o minna da science alala birol jube. Million on leka spende. Nena mala fundraising moy. Ngamire telephone kasi ka fuko ni Barrow kodo release lom. Ni Barrow kodo release. Ni Barrow kodo release. Albuka mo UDP la ko biri Ousainou Darboe vice president yala de. On la Amadou Sane ha ni ko do release nkali be nyaabe feterine UDP ke la fundraising ke la million kafu nyoma almol dahandi itella ka fo de Barrow ko do release Barrow ko biray ko do release Barrow la kodo Barrow mimma fango sponsor no 2016 Barrow findi da Fatoumatta Tambaja ya kay ko na nomination kodo manjo fo Gambia dingul lela kodo kafu nyoma yala nomination kodo jo bi wala keta billionaire alkafo mole ko Barrow la kodo kennigo mi 7 million di Barrow la NPP la through Abbas Sanyang pour brikama la electiono chairmanship electiono alta Barrow nyininka mune atina Abbas Sanyang bay because niye Barrow ni atela fengoma ake baile bari ni Gambia tama ako ha yalong corruption is hard to find because I'm interested to Gambia la so ntebe min dan la molbulu jumale silata pour ni Barrow ta election na amanya na talale that's very simple amanya na tambila 2 term la ay okele sign 2 term ay okele ay 2 term okele kanyantale is period alinga nyimbula kafu ko ha constitutional ma fenke muna na constitutional ma fenke Barrow ya sign ECOWAS alafo ECOWAS agreement on nyim bondi jumala ya sign on behalf of Gambia muna na Barrow sontala ni Dr. Ismaila Ceesay altel kalka wala lamoy ala lamoy nada coffee time ala lamoy nada kerfat ala lamoy nada Dawda ala lamoy wuliya buka wo malu waya miralo ko wamina kumal fola Barrow majang alingata ala safi ali alandi Modou Sabally na diata la moy King FM dukara la Modou Sabally kumandi wato wati alka interview imaji atata si Independent Day Gambia Talent Promotion pa osba interview la pa oskay ko bari ide kumol mil fono ila VAR ako ko no yen kumandi jam 5 minutes la nte ni manta o discourse la so a wulita fango because a man la fo fa ni waya to a fambul no a to da wurla je pour ka Barrow jay istaraje for more than 1 hour so Gambian ko alkal ka wolle la moy fale amira nte hina maro ye kuma kilin na fala interview kono ako motetel la sanna kodola itetel nene no la politiko kono akoytel manta baro danila ila nyantolomu because itel de ifanal kela namole jo min nyanta kake wo nyanta kakele bari yelo ta mol nyaade ka fo ko nal man nyinke alla silobe tulal bute man la min chamji andal telu UDP nkol muna malla problème oti albe kol kela mimbe kering albe kol kela King FM alba folako ñil kamin ke barola ni baro ya long anyanta lamin Sidi Njaay wol baylala anyanta ñinuru baylale amuna nal ka baro yamar alte filila je ya nene let him go bury himself into the sand wo mujuma la problem oti fo mo kendol le man suti ya barola jam mo kendol le man baro nati nang jang baro e mo kendol fayay mo furingol choose alka barole advice altita sila alla credit coming alka commandiro ke alka foko ha barola politico anyanta Kenya jubela which mean that ko altel laftale baro e taraje al laftale baro e taraje ba ya ntel nal del beba foga ngo nyanda ka baro bondije alkada fo mole ko ha baro manyana Sidi Njaay kila je ha dusano manyana nyimfola so ni wole yo kumo fo min correcta nu then baro supposed to win baro ka Sidi Njaay ki mol kan dukare ak ala nin kila ntel laftale ka ki ayta enen ka dusano ki ayta enen paral kalo alka fo mole ko muna na ka nyinki ja muna ne baro amanya na ka nyil kije baro nyanta ala politiko falinale anyanta nyil jubel so na ala politiko falling na positive ta baro which means that ko he is the incumbent anyanta tara Sidi Njaay ala le miranya lu long barka radio call altalo na albe mim fola albu kala fon arrange danko mbadu nga try draw na rinta ni waya pika altalo na albe mim fola paramali sila alte kuma fola mi yalon ka be kala kesoti gambian kole alte fonyola kuma kensen forek albe mol batan la jang jubal lafta baro tara Siri mol kundo billahi nal yalon gambia bita kan silo minna albe fonyola ka baro hani ni arra ko nga silo sotono miya lonko luwa la silo lomo amanke luwa tinya silo di hanis bi famo 12 o'clock baro nyanta bola jele fala man wolo sagal kana fo mole ko ha nga bula dorong ni nata election la nga itanda la ko mfate ite mim fam kaw fo ni nate kay kodo di le be la carte o cikala ya dila ite mim kaw fo ha nga bula dorong ni election o sida nga bal carte o ite min alga momo la nita da ka bala carte o cikala ba dile because konko bela yena e mani boto fula ke moto kono ye tulubi do dila iko hin 2020 mbeto safela ni carte fayo tambita nyini aferenta ala dimbala carte o be cika adila annon talibo e kuma kilim fa ko ha UDP e minke kiyam itatale molu be la carte o ta ya di mol yal na muna yal talibo yal ite mu falolet do you know why UDP ofo yal na muna tinna kiyam ko le okay UDP ma okay kiyam ko le ya fil ko al nin ko dole bitala je andula dindingulu anila modoli malla fila carte o yeta wafu because ali ya fil ko be batarin albita ko dole useless kan so kiyankol kon purna foroya mbatu fanga na carte o be kafunyo mangata nga dum medina njaybul ni carte fa sita ala mbembulo ko no be ngata fay isaje motala carte o wafu nola wole o ke wala dalilo kan because sun kanyole malti so in a nutshell Sidi Muktar Toure Alfata Bintan Jaila, she didn't do anything wrong. Gambian ol fanal hawjita bahum kotole. Al hawjita led. Yalong wala ne ko ni ko be kaba kam fato tela. E kanim bankolo do. Al hawjita le. Bahum would have done more than this. But police on la bahum areso omu formality let because of pressure outside. Wala atine bahum kumandi. Ye VIP treatment diala. Afindi that. Anu Fatuba is part of that. Fatuba inila police olu milika diam. Nga belong. Wala na Sidi Toure hakilo tu baki. Hakilo tu de. Hakilo tu baki. Ntede jamfala Fatuba la kumatu. because for me she's just a trash wobe dami nga baratale a fartita ama momi ya lonko anyway Fadou Bala ko ntete jam fala woto ha ntete jam fala woto de ntete jam fala woto but mbedan na janne I'm in total solidarity with Binta Njie, and my advice to the police is min alinyanta min kela wolo munyinti ko luwa e silo minfo alwo tamande alkana ke jorangoti ikana al use yalke jorangoti against the people ikana al use wala atina altel opposition olu kafuko we are not in coalition talk here ngo alnga unite under one umbrella pour barola nyinta tamo webo line auto political party yol ngalom faye Gambia la politico ali mira de technically na lafta ka coalition oki coalition party leader solu wol sina no le kale kon natale wholeheartedly mbediam bari la molu milibe koma foni ente musa ke nyaton koti fo wol be sonnale ka fayinte ban ila molu milibe koma wala important itel kungonte ibukezi ite nyun amanke ko ibite nyun na wala carte wala ya benati ya adi coalition wala de hani wala be dunna secret ballot lo eta ya fay eta sila suwol ko so nyanda unite la minna wolom baro kanata tatam la mbe ngajele banko bita kan nyami wala nyanta kala mbe la fonkoti bare pour ka fuko coalition alal nyaka sol imaje ya jamme kote ke ko faye ila notre coalition député dole expel yalo mbota folale jang albukal lamoy ñin notre coalition ngal kal laté la ko di meta ñim fola jang notre coalition any bill tata national assembly ikela karteo fay Adama Barola molle falma moy la musunni wala jang audio malik ako ndelu alnga NPP la agenda support because nsulata project ko la na aerial to NPP la APRC notre alliance la musundi wala foja alkal ke la moy ke ba tumanding fo nyaadilom amna kon don alke la moy wala be wurla mama te be ya jamme ampli bol ma mol fa respect ite man tafu mole ko alnga yaya samana na ay am fo dani gambian ko lu bulu ay minke bara albe mol fenkela alba folo ko ya jamme albe mol hadani la nyim min tata akabe lola akata be lola president ya nyinola nkale ko barola agentolom because baro ning fa bakari ilafita munela ilafita ka NPA ka ning APRC at least ke handicap dula do because womo abe daming ya la siol lebeje ata fana mo sioleti andung na keta nyaawo nyama ni support soto no ye odla penetrate no through him will be good. So is NPP amanke ko fendolo mude NPP la mati atele follow da kumata de atele follow da kumata transaction o min bebe duma musa amulu nyaasu wolu ila o fenge koli wolu ebe min be tamandi kan duma because iyalon ko jamme wobala kalifuri mum fola fo ya man dal kalola ba jumala ya muta min kay kan na Gambia alga sidi toure nyininka because sidi lom nun director immigration fo e passport ol dada ya passport fante momimbul ni obe wurla equatorial Guinea minala le ninnata mimbe borla mimbe mutala abe lonnale jumala ya muta mama muta abala bun kono abe fririnje ay ta ya podoro ni garra passport babul ay kulenti la ta na Gambia wasita kalila fo be kala kali worowla asita wala leba ama si wala. So alnga unite Adama Barrow kanata tamla. Let him choose another person. Ala tribalist demba sabal bijere. Ala tribalist demba sabal o bijere. Ngale yalo molle ka diam. Sidi Njai ne fa mandra tabulo kan ka foko pour Adama ya ke presidential candidate. Adama la ya lonko. Sidi Njai wo na yo fa to fo anala NPP dol fa ate fa tulo bunala. Ate Adama le wolo mo bed. But Sidi Njai is there. Yalon Sidi Njai be Adama bala nyami. Abokolo gonu ya jamme la time. Comme ni ya jamme na Medina Njai ki comme tavni investigating. Abe modole budandila Medina Noma. So Sidi Njai be NPP ning Adama Barrow tema wole nyama. So ibele silata Sidi Njai nya. Ibele silata Sidi Njai nya. Bar Sidi Njai o mantrala tabulo fankande. Wala na Yankuba Dabo GRA. Ma fontella jula man na feala de. Nkali o jele sign na bota 1 million dila. Baroka mimfo so kiankol la politiko. Imaje kiang itelukallo NPP nkoli ko baroko anila min jajule si doko keno bawo landim mansong purana baro doko ke alta landi nyin ga fo landim balanta purana baro doko landim be balon no la nyaadi la purana baro doko wo mu baro la kunta yaati ha antene nyine si doko keno nit nyita doko keno ite ko etam banko la president wol be kela namo kafu nyoma kadi la kiankol kela namo jo alkana lo al kafoko baro nya kasi kiankol la kana development sambaje asambadula do ita muso mi yofo iko e bota nyomile ikana findi ko ka audio le dada e ka foko alala hako boendinye nena man nendirke altel mu banko tinyala leti foyta ma wolong ita mu posino leti ika jumale apologize ika foko mfama bota nyomile adara si kiang ibulata kiang kolla ikana ika fo moleko ha nyin kuma mfota mfele hako boendinye altel lebe nafiki ya tulaje nimi mba muso nyinjala nimi ya kiskisi bake APR sin kolo matino birimbe baro sindila wolle be balandi momo yen nayin kumo mo ala kiya muso yen nyomi ala fay ko atemin ko baro ya nyakazi kiyan kolula akana ku sambaje akane makoy biya findita na kunu ngala audio moy 7 minutes 8 seconds ako ha kumo nyim fotate fele ayam fo presolo mala molle kay ko findiye nyim feng because munom nyilito ite nafikiani wuliyal fola yana se ka fo mole ko alala hako boendinya fenkante fo baro mol bebe kambendi ite be batari wodulato ila baluwo famo be kolari bulu ni sasa de buka jararo famo sodo ite kamune kele baro barona la mole million taworo londi e ko nitel sasa de tel bite jararo ite kamune kele baro ite mune na fa sotuje fo ka bula community bela ikafoko kana kusambaje fo yamira wol they will go on their knees ka baro dani ikela ni baro make na fata ala ba kidin la muna na kiankol kamin di muna ne me niyo dila fo bita ala ya le kay ko hani ala baro bula e tambi akanake ay na kodo beta ka bula la jibo kono ay na kodo beta ka bula la jibo kono wala tin na imam baw senu moya e mimfo ibe ye moy development wo development to kickback be dawoda ani niko silo ka silo da $1 million dala ya dara silo nyinka da $700,000 dala wala 600,000 ye 400,000 o beta ya tala nyotema every kilometer ngawle fo wala tina ka how many kilometers dogo momin kalo aka fale ko nga 700 and something kilometers le dogo so sa alu 700 and something kilometers jube ni ata kilometer is $1 million so kilometer sign 700 by 400,000 wamu kodo jellete walso kodo banno domola ite fuari din kese mabe sirin jana konte musabi janyami ikalo ikafo kianko leko barokana development sambaje e albelo alba fola yelo le seler nkom mela mamoy ko ibelari loptano yelo min seletano nyanda tale la loptano yefuta loptano de ko kuranti jang jio man soto man fen soto be min londile tumando ni be wodulato ibalo nako tonya gambian kol be kelo min ngalonne altamol da handla president jumale be gambia min soben tayata e dunia kono mi yalonga man sobea min tamita barol albe mol batanda baro ko la jang fa amira kalo ka kuma bafo ka kuma kendofo ka kuma nyimafo wala president yat of course ni be statement albe alone gambian ko statement safo ni statement o safeje iba mirala ko Gambia la statement o hani dunia be ni Gambia la iba mirala Gambia la mansa kundala sobe yara Gambia dunia be albe mol batan la jang ite be nyomi sinya jellon ite fango ka chango ferio kono ite iko de ka kelo ke barole bar ni barobe tela bitala nyomi jannim barobe tala karkiling ibe ferio service le bala kol be falinna molbe diamula jang iko en na poro to mutala ya wafu 30 years ya tayle 30 years alkana fo mole ko development o lo wodi milie tenda nyi wini ma di wolla fo mili ma win imaje ye nyun nan jalol la toki iko e ko nine play baroe baralta moyla ko toki man sakunda e Gambia jali kumandire ko nine play jang alta sila liye mira muna jarita nyinna ay sanji tankele na ay sanji tango sidan kayta ngale make saljele mune atina borta because ay sunya rol lek andu woto mo Senegal mo be wa fana make mo ba he make mo ba ki mo ne loho nyina kaf because aka kodo mindila yara fanga kela kodo bele sunya hayna juluba katan bale tu Senegal be kuntu imaja te borta atata ala palelo Morocco nyintal karandi la bang baro bina la president yala amala fonko fango jono wo baro kilingo di following election mba samba janni mba samba atata bumba lo manka mankunda kote kala account odo million keme fula bebe je account kilino du moti bi ali alo ne jelle be barobul ali alo ne jelle be fatou babul ali alo ne sadio mu ne soto ali ta nyil killing ila kordalu jubenu jannibe kala president oti jannibe kala first lady ti anen second lady alte killing na kordalu jube bi alta ali wala condition o jube ba itabe siri nyomi itabe imela baluo fan sotono dabolu be falaje susulal be falaje imo furima ida sunkandingo ikalo ikafo kiyankole ko ha baroma nyana development ay development mano mun tolto tell us ngo nafita Gambian ka dinkili ye findi before barobe kala president ako nte de barone ne mani boto dundinte kan mi manka badinti lafta mo kili ye findi ya jamme ka nyine keja abe nyuna mo labe sambala maka abe $10,000 dila doll na fengra $5,000 ci ka adi mola biriya ya jamme bondije al mo kilim findi ni nye foni mimba fole ko ya jamme hani sise o sanyel biri lungmi na nga bondi muna kantel keten ñim fali sifal mil ben na système o kono ñim muso min be ñomi aka foko lafna ali yam fuñe moma yam fuye ida sunkan ni way kumo min foy ka fo ñaar muna ne man si ye mira al kana mol batan ni Gambia mol ma laf barola al baro bonni mol kunto no nte billa Gambia no muna atin nan tel ni mo sifal fa denta Gambia la inyanta ñil sambala dunia dula dole to ñil ma ñana ka Gambiandi je inyabe fetering mo bala dimba 600 million baro wala $600 million ay wala ci kaja adia bari ni wala Amadou Sane Amadou be muna do kula just dan ko don pour kata ka mano sambana pour ni election o cité kale ko nga mano datala la yal nene wala ka fale ko baro felenta mano datala ha baro be la frin Gambia no la ya tra na Gambia dingul Gambia musolu bay marché auto ke la fengol be tinya ka be kating ka fay pour ka won natal new video ka samba Saudi Arabia because Saudi Arabia le be o project ko ñu sponsor kan mono malte la problème odi itala balu be kole ari bulu konte musa be janyami lola nga tonya fo baroy let him go bi sidi njaay hayna bu njawlelo ali yalla na demba sabal be munel ali yalla na mod sabal be munel ali yalla na sidi sise be munel ali yalla na docteur samata wol be munel mili yalla ko imam baraka imam fen sotono imam kuke no faye hani la dula bu ngoy malo no faye ngenati man sakunda don dole bu njangollo alkana fo mole nga woltu mol kundu itabe siri nyomi imam fewo felong ikun teringo ikana ika findi iko because of kiam by election baro inyanta adila wala because baro ka tani nyina se do ko keno fo baro nyanta ka o folete ya fasa o kan yankuba dabo hayna munana ma foko NPP ngol nta 1 million dila altella because nta altelta do ko keno idal be sawnana na lena UDP munana di APR sinkol But Yankuba Dabo Haina, all the 28 councillors, Momo I 1 million dealer. And before that, Momo I Muneke, I 500,000 dealer, Koiko, Murunda la community. Yet I doko. Alma Malunina, and Hani Butut, Barola Mansakunda Mantra di Kambikama area council. Muna ka tel bula nyin nonsense abuka ke fendi fo musol fango nintel keol le fango nyim fofa nzafo ke ntelo kay ay bar muso itel kata tingot ntel bem sumuna lam bem bula altel le singol kan albe batala mfamal sal filige altel le bentel dimbayal albe kol bekela albita no sal albe kol bekela nte wodi mon tela muso be Gambia nte dara li fo la Gambia nte la kan dingol sambanos mfangole ke cikange sambanos bari because it's not common nim futa da nos musol fangole ka foko ite na eta nselet nyaonya e ka opportunity dina pour nyanta min kelante dingol le yo kela folo because ibeba ikatara lo nje ba folo he muna ni ndafa nan kema kanyinke mkam digol filal bulu al damale ka tara batari njal be torarinje barna fenke dal telebe den kilo la baro al telebe bulala baro no simply because of canal rege 500 dila 1000 dila itete miral fo itela o dingo mi yalon koy ba neglect kala jara rola yen ate boro samana pura e fa wo dingo skeno Gambia president ite me mirawla ite koy be mira baro ke da president le already moto tutu no la kunto bar fo president kendo lomba no almol da handi baro kula dukare alinga ke kilinti nga baro bondije baro manyana lola 2026 noto baro start term alinga lo nyin kumankam ala baraka bake ngal tentu ngal jay what do al sala ko boyni because sometimes you get frustrated. Woman can na intention te pour ka mo address te hani muso mi nga address te woman can na intention te mbela flala nu nga engage, but sometimes you have to send your message like that so that ni min lafte sumanala wo fanan kane sumangala barinta nenna de ni atra kuma fotambulu min keta kuma kolonta la kuoto mba fola ka sa hako bondinye barala ko endimin bake ala ko endimin bake ntedente molka mimfo badi ya kana moni mola politique tinya badi ya kana moni mola politique tinya barinte billahi momo ya lonko idi amute badi we ikay ko banko bitaka nyama mambete ya konkole bije nko onkul la mboja na bunkono mani bodu tanstara no jele mangasino babulu atela baluwo be nyinyari bar fama nyanne mirala ala nebol laba fama nyanne mirala ala nebola nko wallahi billahi nintata wotumo nintara li fola Gambia ninta hanin na ko poto sang ngake na moto koma mbuka jindi fo suto. You know why? Ita mari bela itata supermarket oto Gambia fango jube supermarket ta ke kibirolet supermarket ta aka ke kibirolet ni eje supermarket oto yela trolita ibe ye fengol fanda kon mobe ke jubele maybe it's only 20 euro or 25 euro or 30 euro or 40 euro. But jang, nintata supermarket or purka na family la fengo sam puruna trolley e fa nyanta fengo mimbesa na sometimes it costs me up to 150 euro. Gambia supermarket or fonte nyale mata ngata supermarket kilo nga 150 euro spend water ba. It is going to be more than $10,000. Ntekana nganya wala ntebala molu bije mil buka hani sato nibe sato tabile buka sukuro fango soto nteka supermarket fengolu jindi na muso ka wol fandi frigo kono nyaka mol nyaka taranna mbe wol jindi la dolu beje man da sama nkonke hadanyile fali amira alabe kayra kelantele so jannim bita wo 10,000 o tala ngata be sang supermarket oro it is better na nebo kili na be mbulu nga man boto diala ni nga kemole so nga wala man boto ka wolu nga finance fenta bino adomo ni tata tanje itare nyesang ite na ya fandila frigo kono yeta abuko ya subo sang yena ya fandila frigo kono ite la nebo mahani baluo fang soto ngo mafuko ila dimbaya kana balu bari ni be fanan kala ke kullo kono bar kana e signol hadani wal ma soto ni be min sono la signol think about them ali so ali nge makoy especially afelenti minadu na sunkaro kono mo bebe mira la sai mo bebe mira balwo man sono yano ntel mil fango be tubab dujang mbadi ngolo be Gambia nyandala nga sukuro kiye nyandala nga mburu songo kiye nyandala nga tulu songo kiye nyandala nga subu songo kiye bari mbake no la nyaadile ibadi ngolo be je buke ma ko ino ebe mo ne keno be Gambia kolandi lala alla baluwo be kolaring everything is hard on you people alkana song yalke jorangoti alkana song yalke jorangoti alkana songala Gambia is very hard. Gambia be kolaring bakele ali bala fa ñoy especially al tel musolu al be batamin be kono ala jube talib ben suda alota janne ay kodo ñinin ali yalla namojo ako marse woro abe wole lola KMC man sakunda lote kay ko ntelte sonna nga nyin kenol dila pour ya marché wolo because niyalo itole be diala ntel tobe kuyala ali nyi man sakunda jube jumale kal jawya bar wo man sakunda kilingola ka wuli ka faale ko talib manyi ama marché fanglo ali ando aya faale fay planol be itandal abota ja kabe silolu do kula man sakunda haynan ko take ba kale kan pour akana o silolu doku andu ye mim fo be fania fo da mal talib lafta silol mil dokula imanta mola korda boyla imanta mola fentinyala bari kamune fo ha nali yenyu wandi kordal boy alte compensate nola man sakunda haynan ko take be kale ka wala because iko opposition ollo landin sana hayna be dokula nko fo de danjo birabe base alnene ma moy base area council mera mol jonode Base area council is 120% Adama Barrow. Bari hayne bukela molu jono. Womo kilingol le ka findi ka faale ko corruption o mimbe area council olto. Sako UDP be mararim mil. Yalon Ismaila Cisse wala nante malon fo Ismaila Cisse billa Ismaila tonya madi jobate mim folomu. Ismaila la ala doctorate degree mol nyanta kiskisilal. Wodum fae kaito le sambang because ni Dr. Ismaila Cisse man kaito sang. Ngamira CEO Jumale carte of highway. For Talib le CEO appoint. For Himalik Lole CEO appoint. Ngamira CEO is from central government. Ngamira teleke imposi kundo. Finance director. Ngamira wolle musum kanyoluti. For manke government do kulale. For mu area council le fontele carte of highway. But he can call feeling because he mankuma sote be mimfala because he telbe sunya role laje. Anim balu nyima kono. Yala ate. Atara nu loptan dolto. Ismaila lo kibiru moti. I know sunkuroje gabira we are masle. No sunkuro ya masle. Ago love the Natalie la fogo ye Natalo in Kinyana. I'll can you bed. Yellow coming. Muswa can tell Gambia. Naso leave from Airport Johnson. Akakata kutu mafa. What won't take at Defanan Katanu combo mafa. So ko gaso livra ko agonyoko my bro nka agonyoko do ma call suma yaay because stay them are late. Okay, it's you know ngana funo diala afangola number ay wole dial prasi na number so nko nyinke mane ba nyinke fuaro ite fanan kana wala dombale sigrita so ay na number ta mbije after ngabra 2 days wolu fandi na musole be siring telephone orinda man number nyilong Gambia number ngachika man number nyilong Gambia number ngachika biri ngachika ngo jumalum a barata ko man la kero man nga meon leave si Johnson Airport nka go so naga nga ame suma number ako no si suma yaay la ko jël xam nga kolona suma yaay because yow ku baax nga ko xam nga lal man maa ngi ni toog ak suma jabar bul call number bi de right don't call this number anymore and even Africell millier malo ko ka fo telephone fo ka confi kolon fo nyaadi fo créer sim card lomba mille fanal yo Kenya lundo mbije o fana yen call ndara na moto chabo fana ka duplicate dula do because chabo kilino ndara ka duplicate dami fana wol fana la secretary lundo wonene fa yen call le fa wotu mon temuru tanambe jamani fa wonene en call akaka la boss la ko le complain dan kay ko mune bente woto kay kana ni number call correct I don't even know you kana number ko man so the problem is amanke ko wo musol man sobe yade it disparate tale they think that ko ninga nyin soto no nyimbe tubabu dule ali alo ninte wedante kala matres ole kan on kala molla saloto on kala molla basement o kono alma long you know ndebe min folale be careful ali molu milije bota tubabu du nata ni nata nkananka kuma balu falie nka falie ko tenin billahi wallahi altel dolbe Gambia albe balunya min naja al sinya wala betea barantelu tati jang wala nante kabrin 2005 Gambia mbugada club mbugada restaurant because ndete restaurant food sanola restaurant ngata drinko sang bitikoto ngamera bitikoto is about $15 lombang I don't know nyim fanta kabo o $25 wo fango jube fango fo mo nyanta kan drinko sana Gambia $25 ala jube rek people cannot afford it but niafo e ka foko ha kan drinko be tubabudu €1 something no near €1 falinjang abitala 70 something wo be kala €100 woni ka wo jele ko dalasilo mu de jang wol bu kaaje ko altel kaaje nyaminde wo mu dalasilati ntakata mburo sandamin this big loaf of bread mburu jango comme Allah nyin sen fur mburu jango andu nyimburo kono ka trafarne tep ntaka o sandamin mburu sifa fulale bije ibe mu nyimburu jangol ledi domu €1 I think 29 cent domu 89 cent lati €1 dalasi anin bududu muang anin konondo domu bududu tansei anin konondo par mburo bi ka faltele Gambia $13 ni ko jam mburo luwolun €13 mburu kili o be ke nola nyaadil o te ke nola ni pareta Adama Barrow ka siya ka fale ko ha dunia fangole be teng dunia la president olu kendolu be ke la jolu talale alnene amoy Adama ya tatala aha can drink $50 ndenyolu ndalbe o min nola nyona nyaadi le Gambia ndenyolu mbe o min nola nyaadi le Gambia wala na Gambia ni mo fango na de jube ne can drink ko diala abuka yele afana ka sambale I don't understand. So nyimbe be kolearin Gambia. Bar ni fengere ka fale ko ngadu ko min ke jawara make. Atebe bola base wato min na wo kalenda mbusundi wala la moli yala fengol kay wala kono purayta kombo tumaranke yala. Aborta manole kan. Jawara le o doku wala konkol le fara. Albeya moy janne biri MC chamta da feng nko Gambia la men silo fango ka ni bora banyuna ka danda abukol sorry Brikama police silatije alkanalo alkafo mole ko ha jawara man do kuke adam barole do kuke alayla silol jube sign board tije silol ke kate ka beten kensol jurumaliye fo fonkolu badi bun gol kate ka beten fonko ya ale silol jube ibali nenela imagine sign ila fitanala wala ne yerina budgeto muta this 2025 budgeto ya muta ya la fala because ila fita project ko minul kala pour kal nene because of the election ikoy kal nene munela kuranjulo ikoy kal nene munel silo banjulun kolle boka kurango soto baral telbe kurango soto lale ikoy kal nene wol Senegal la julo jellebe mol Senegal la julo jellebe mol mune Senegal la julo tarandi nawek la andun tel kan nawek jol nawek ni $1,000 san kurango la 700 ikawole di la 300 o ya sunya ya talanyo tema nawek la manager company le babulu mi yalon ko ka contrat ko di nawek le ka contrat ko di la ala muso wala marata jiol ali janjube muso marata jiol la nawek ke o marata kurango la adama barola friend mol ko nani juare dulabe tinyal adama yata ya promote Dr. Samade mol ko sungolom Dr. Samade kan na fengol le sunya Dr. Samade de nanon le fa adama ya kumanda tento aya jay demba sabale hayna giraffe project ko mi yalon ko agric Ministry of Agric giraffe project wo giraffe project ko demba sabali lafta munekela alafta because he tata ye musolu nene ko adama kana nyine kale so saying World Bank minul sindije minul nyanta marala wo project ko la nala kodo Kenya demba sabali lafta ye wolu bondije pour ko le tarate koto directly ngo problem wala benunje saying your problem will solve with those people saying World Bank ya itandi ko nyillebe sila jaw o nga project ko nyin close bara altentel intimidate la ngale nyinul jele alinga hakilolu tu bake nyil kana molu nene mala na nyil bal nene nola albe sonna nyilu kale nene faldel manyana emiralo no al fangoliye ala baraka bake ngal tentu ngal jay mamira no ngani plan non 30 minutes la barbutu kay gambialom I'll say so uncle I know I was in hot I was new na calling fenke bage so ala baraka bake anyway